In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy and send Bitcoin on MoonPay. So if you want to buy your Bitcoin and send it immediately, then I will be explaining you how. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your MoonPay account and make sure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, and activated your portfolio for smooth transactions. And once that's all set, you will just have to go to click this buy button right here, which is on the bottom of your screen. So just click that, and once you click that, you will just have to select Bitcoin, which is right here, and then you will just have to enter the amount that you want to buy. And of course, after you've entered the amount that you want to buy, you will just have to click continue with Bitcoin, and then you will be prompted to choose your payment method. So it really depends on you what kind of payment method you prefer. And then after that, you will just have to complete the identity verification if prompted. And after the purchase, you will just have to go back to your dashboard, and basically if you have your send feature here, you will just have to click that, and then you will paste the recipient address or scan QR code, and then you will enter the amount again, review the fees, and then click confirm, and you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and the recipient will receive the BTC. And by the way, you should also always double check the address before sending, because crypto transactions cannot be reversed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.